The presidential petition proceedings at the Supreme Court literally gave every Kenyan a moment or two to update their vocabulary collection, with court jargon and quotes flying left, right and center, from constitutional matters to philosophy, and a free show of prowess by the learned friends. Anyone keen on learning had a field day. New phrases, quotes and technical words were all up for grabs. Now, let's look back at some of these quotes that brought some light moments in an otherwise serious situation.
Impunity must be punished. Impunity must be punished. And impunity unpunished breeds arrogance. And arrogance leads to arbitrary exercise of power.
Where it is established that a state officer is subverting the Constitution and the rule of law, the court's hands are not shackled by procedural niceties. This is the beauty of this Wanjico Constitution that we have.
Once a plumber has fixed your bathroom, that plumber has no business being in your bathroom when you are showering. If you find him at that time, you tell him, "Get behind me, Satan."
Men and women who run for office in this country must accept that it is possible to win. Indeed, it is even more likely to lose, because typically an election involves more than two people, and the chances of the losers being more than the winner are very high.
Reality is that it is voters who make their choice. And once voters have made their choice, let us inculcate a culture that my brothers and sisters on this side are now used to. We walk to our court, we may think the law is on our side, we may think we are entitled to victory, but we accept the verdict of the court, because much as we may think we are eloquent litigators, the final word is always with the court.
The sanctimonious, self-righteous, pompous pontification of the so-called four commissioners are an afterthought. They are a complete and total afterthought, and should be seen as that.
While in most cases any proceedings at the court of law might be a dilemma to the layman owing to the legal jargon, this week's presidential petition at the Supreme Court was exceptional. The sophisticated terminologies by both the junior and senior counsel, as former Attorney General Githu Muigai would address his colleagues, left many social media warriors awe-stricken. Here now is Teresa Mutai with that moment that left netizens fighting and gasping for space in the learned world.
The Supreme Court undertook serious business this week, but even within the seriousness, netizens still found a way of turning the dull moment bright. Let's take a look. An impressive Supreme Court session characterized by quotes, terminologies and metaphors that left keyboard warriors for once rethink about their self-imposed title, the Keyboard Warriors. And whoever can type, let them type.
So the sanctimonious, self-righteous, pompous pontification.
What are you saying? What is he saying?
I am tweeted. Now these Supreme Court proceedings will school many. Sasa amicus curiae ni mnyama gani? John the Baptist, yani hamjui lakuna ni nini but mmenyamaza na mko sawa? Ha, laughing emoji. With the great battle came the great humor. Now we might want to further interrogate George Oraro's statement about Marjan Hussein, who walked into what exactly? Bedroom or boardroom, sir?
Walked into the bedroom. Boardroom. Bedroom.
But while we still dwell on the topic of walking into bedrooms and bathrooms, the Plumbers Association may have been caught in the crossfire during the Supreme Court proceeding. Lawyer Willis Otieno, who has surely gained traction this week with his witty remarks, had one more remarkable comment up his sleeve.
A plumber who is in your bathroom when you're showering after fixing your shower is no longer a plumber, is a sexual offender.
Lamek tweeted, Otieno yawa, finish them. Nick is just wondering, huyu Willis Otieno hutoa points zake sangapi? Karamindi, never a dull moment in this country. Willis Otieno, whom I should probably term as a content creator at this point, had a one-on-one with Justice Linaola when he thanked Justice Wanjala for not responding to his remarks.
Thank Justice Wanjala today. He didn't respond when I did my monk. Can I donate my time back to the court? Thank you.
You also did not sweat, so we are okay.
Maish tweeted, siwezi ambiwa hivyo. Sisebo, si poa. The glorious, it's a court of fun. The proceeding was not without love and care for a friend from the neighborhood. Professor Githu Muigai may have stepped in for his learned friend Orengo, saying he needs his lunch for he is heckling.
My learned friend, Mr. Orengo, needs his lunch now. He's heckling.
Samuel tweeted, the relationship between Professor Githu and Orengo is mesmerizing. Martin, Professor never disappoints. Fishware, apewe soda na mkate.
Chai! Chai!
But as we await the court's final verdict this Monday, let's sit and enjoy Willis Otieno's Piki Piki Ponki episode, which has lit wildfires on the social media realm.
Piki Piki Ponki, Piki Piki Ponki,
Well, that's it for us. Reporting for Sunday Express, I am Teresa Mutai.